Hi everyone, I hope you're okay, and I hope that the videos we keep uploading are helping you out. On this video guys, I'll be tackling the fourth question from the preliminary exam which was written in the year of 2024 in the province of Eastern Cape. Please do expect a total number of 12 videos since the question paper had 12 questions in total. And please guys, do take this seriously. I strongly believe that knowing how to tackle exam questions will give you an edge whenever you write your preliminary exam and most importantly, your final examination. So please guys, do share the video to your peers so that they may have the same edge as you, and please do help us grow the channel by just subscribing. Okay, on this question guys, we will be dealing with the hyperbolic function. Are you together? And this type of a function guys has two sets of restrictions. It has both a vertical restriction or as well as a horizontal restriction, right? These restrictions are sometimes called asymptotes. Are you together? Okay. How can you find the equation of our asymptotes? For the horizontal asymptote, I can simply say y is equal to negative 2. This value over here gives us the horizontal asymptote. And then for the vertical asymptote, x is equal to negative 5, right? How can I find the vertical asymptote? Just take the denominator, equate it to 0, and then solve x. Are you together? So that's our vertical asymptote. So basically our graph, if we were to draw our graph, it was going to look like this. We have y 0 and then x-axis over there, né? And then since I have my asymptotes at x is equal to negative 5, this will be my vertical asymptote when x is equal to negative 5. And for my horizontal asymptote, it's over there when y is equal to negative 2. And since guys, since the value of a or rather the constant term at the numerator is negative, this simply means that my graph will be on the second and fourth quadrants of my asymptote. So my graph will simply move like this. I will have an x-intercept over there, and then the other part will simply move like that. I'll also have an x-intercept over there, rather a y-intercept over there. No? Okay. Now let's go and determine the coordinates of the x-intercept. For me to find x-intercept, guys, I just need to make y 0 and then solve for x. So if y is equal to 0, I'll simply have negative 1 over x plus 5 minus 2 on the right hand side. Né? Then I can bring the negative 2 to the other side. I'll simply have positive 2 is equal to negative 1 over x plus 5. I can simply remove the fractions by cross multiplying. This will end up giving me 2 multiplied by x plus 5 is equal to negative 1. Then 2x plus 10 is equal to negative 1, and hence 2x is just equal to negative 11, and x is basically negative 11 over 2. So the value of x over there, the x-intercept, it's just negative 11 over 2. Né? The coordinates of my x-intercept, x rather, is negative 11 over 2, and the corresponding y value is 0. Okay, and then now they want us to determine the coordinates of our y-intercept. On the y-axis, guys, I don't care what kind of a graph you're dealing with, but you must know for a fact that on the y-axis, the value of x is equal to 0. If you are given f of x as negative 1 over x plus 5 minus 2, so f of 0 will simply be negative 1 all over 0 plus 5 minus 2. And then this will end up giving negative 1 over 5 minus 2. Né? And then the answer will simply be negative 11 over 5. So the answer is just negative 11 over 5. So the y-intercept is negative 11 over 5. And hence the coordinates of the y-intercept, the x value is 0, y value is just negative 11 over 5. And then whenever, guys, they want you to draw the sketch, we've already done that. We've already done that. Né? these were our asymptotes, remember that, and since the value of a is negative, the numerator is negative, that means our graph will be on the second and fourth quadrant of our asymptotes. And then that's what we did over there to simply sketch the graph. Now let's answer the following question. The following question simply says, determine the equation of the axis of symmetry that has a negative gradient. Okay, we already know that, guys. Axis of symmetry is a straight line graph which is in the form of y is equal to mx plus c, right? So y is equal to -1. Remember, the gradient is -1, right? Is -1 times x plus c. We only need to find the coordinates of x. But I know that my axis of symmetry will simply pass through the point of intersection of both the horizontal and the vertical asymptote. And over there, the x value is -5 and the y value is -2. All I need to do is to just substitute these two values. Y is equal to -2 when x is just equal to -5. I'm just looking for the value of c right together. So this will be -2 is equal to 5 plus c. If I take this the 5 to the other side, then c will just be equal to -7. And therefore the equation is basically -x minus 7. This is the equation of the axis of symmetry with a negative gradient. So the equation will simply be y is equal to -x minus 7. That's how, guys, we're supposed to tackle that question over there. So please do stay tuned and wait for more videos. Thank you.